down and 2. Eckler in motion. Herbert has the 33-yard line. Herbert wraps. Second down and 15. Herbert's throw.
You got to find something that works.
The fake to Eckler. And then Herbert, 6 of 8 on third down. And Shannon, yes, the roof is open here in Atlanta. Pass caught. No! Third down and 7. Herbert moving to his left. And then
not just force the game. Big momentum changer. That's an awesome job by Khalil Mack.
First turnover of the game on either side. And now
that series.
Third down and 8. Herbert over the middle. Deflected and picked off. So the Falcons. Herbert on first down, steps up. Second and 10. Herbert fires downfield, and that's goal from the 13. Herbert moving to his left. Now throws through the back of the end zone.